Now you can put it on the freezer.
Hello everyone, it's me Leonard welcoming you to my another new video, and I hope you are doing really so good. And this is the snacks that is favorite for me for all time, and most popular snacks for Ramadan time. I hope you like it.
It's really so crispy and loaded with so much cheese. I hope you will enjoy. So stay with me. This is the sticky rice. Yeah. Water is the main important. Take the rice. Give a nice ball shape. Use water on your finger. See, easily done. This is mozzarella cheese. Just put inside. Second water. Okay. That's good. Again, give a nice ball shape. Just water. You need to use this finger. Use this finger. Okay, it's done. Put the cheese inside. Close it. It's close. Now give the shape of your rice ball. Yes. Now you can put it on the freezer if you want to keep for a long time. If you want to fry it, you can fry it now. I need to make more.
With these two ingredients, you can make this very tasty this rice ball. Only the rice and the cheese, and if you want, then you can touch little bit of turmeric to the rice, so it will give you nice golden color. Also, if you want to choose the falcon cheese, you can skip the mozzarella, you can use the falcon cheese. And here I am looking for your support to consider your subscribe for my YouTube channel, that I can grow with your support. I hope you will do consider and give your thumbs up. You can share also this good video with your friends and family. So let's hope for frying this yummy delicious kabab ball. Here you can see, because this is have a cheese inside, you need to fry it carefully. It's better to fry in high heat, that can fry outside very properly, because if you fry it for a long time, the cheese will be melted inside and it will be quickly come out from this bowl. So be careful when you fry. Here is the look, you can see. I think you really to enjoy. So I'm thankful to you that you still watching my video.
Stay with me. If you want the full recipe, let me know on the comment section. Okay? Until take care, have fun, bye bye.